And then we always have the standbys with stuff like the gel pads that are so useful as well too. And this is one that actually has a game in it. This is tic-tac-toe version too.
Tic-tac-toe, we can do it on the floor, we can do it on a table, we can use a whole hand or finger.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tactile Sensory channel. My name is Chris, and I'm here this week with Ilana Daneman, and we are looking at the best things that a therapist needs to have in their go-to kit.
Yeah, so we're talking probably, well, it could be stationary, but for a lot of therapists, we're going in and out of the classrooms.
Yeah.
So we want to have some things that are really portable and multi-useful for a lot of different populations.
Sure.
Okay, so I may be working on some things like eye-hand coordination or core work using a ball. Motor planning, those kind of things.
So really, the name of the game here is going to be the ability to use it for more than one activity. Because if you're bringing this in, its portability, you can't have very many single-use things. That gets heavy.
That's right, it's heavy,
Yeah,
right. So I may have like a piece of rolling luggage or something, I put all this stuff in, I'm going in the classroom, I pull out what I need. Like maybe for one child, I'm working, like I said, on balance. I may pull out some of these spots to put down. I may be working on another child on strengthening. I want a piece of stretch band here.
Absolutely, and really, in doing that, you've got a little bit of everything from most of your senses as well too. We have some weighted therapy items like you have with the pet, which is really nice. And you have some good auditory stuff too with the shakers and the bells.
Right, so I can get kids up and moving, you know, making a little bit of noise, or if I have a young child that can't move very well, I may put it across a little bit out of reach for them, have them go toward it, pick it up, that kind of thing.
Perfect, and you can never have too many play balls. That always seems like something that can be used for so many things.
Yeah, probably my go-to favorite is having a ball with me.
All right, perfect. And the FitBall stones were something that was really interesting because they have that spiky side, but you can also turn them over and they got that flat side too.
Yeah, so you can work on, this is more high challenge, because kids step on it, it's harder, but remember they can also use it with under their hands, like core work, okay? But they can also walk here and you can take off their shoes so they get a little bit more input.
Okay, great. And then over on this side of the table, we've got some great things, some fine motor stuff like the magnetic disc game.
Right, so for some kids, and some kids this may be an intro into therapy, just to have them play with something because they like a toy, right? So they're gonna start working on some fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, and then I can get them up and moving. Perfect.
And then we always have the standbys with stuff like the gel pads that are so useful as well too. And this is one that actually has a game in it. This is tic-tac-toe version too.
Tic-tac-toe, we can do it on the floor, we can do it on a table, we can use a whole hand or finger.
Awesome. So, and then the last piece that we have up on the table is the Magic Symmetry game with the mirrors and the different shapes. So a lot of different things you can teach with that.
Yeah, and this is a little bit high level depending on whether you want to use the cards or not. You can tone that down a little bit to make it pretty simple, using one shape at a time. But the mirror obviously, you know, shows what's going on the other side, so there's a little visual motor planning going on there.
Fantastic. So you have all this type of stuff in your go-to magic bag.
Yes.
Awesome. So we've got all these products. We're gonna put some links down in the description below so you guys can check them out. And if you like videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to the Tactile Sensory channel. We always have brand new ideas every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.